My dear children, today we are going to uh, witness a small story by Priyanshu. Priyanshu, what is the name of your story?
The Shally and her brother.
What is the name of the story? Shally and her brother. Okay. We should not use the in front of the proper noun. All of you have read what is a proper noun? When we are telling the name of a noun. For example, I am a woman. What is my name? My name is Ranu. So Ranu is the proper noun. Woman is the common noun. Okay? Like that, Shally is the proper noun. Then what happens? Show to your friends. Then? Yes.
Shally was a good girl. She keeps herself and her surroundings clean.
She brushes her teeth.
Comb her hair.
Yes.
Take a bath daily.
Okay. Stop. Okay, Shubham, you will tell me what does Shally do every day? Was he attentive in the class, it means? Was he attentive? He is not able to tell the answer. Who can tell the answer then? Anshuman, can you tell the answer? He is also not attentive. Who is attentive? Jatin is attentive. Okay, Jatin, try. Okay, she used to take a bath, not bathing. She used to take a bath. Nilanshi?
Shally is playing football.
No, I am not asking about that. Yes, Adyasha? Yes, Shally used to brush her teeth every day. She used to, yes, Rajveer?
Shally used to comb our hair daily.
Shally used to comb her hair every day. She used to take bath every day. She used to brush her teeth every day. And she used to...
Sam, his younger brother, was quite opposite.
Stop. What was the name of the younger brother? Sam. What was the name of the younger brother, Shubham? Tell me in full sentence. The name of Shally's brother. Shally's brother was Sam. Repeat it again. Repeat my answer. Let him repeat. Yes. Shanshita, can you tell me? After the, what we will use? The what? After the, what should we use? Shreyanshi? The question is, what is the question? Arush?
The name of Shally's brother is Sam.
Okay, the question was, what is the name of Shally's younger brother? Okay? The name of Shally's younger brother is Sam. Very good. Then?
He did not brush his teeth or wash his hands before eating. One day he got a stomach pain.
One day what happened to Sam? Shubham?
He has stomach pain. Stomach pain.
Who had pain?
Sam.
Sam had pain. Shubham, what happened? Nobody will answer. Shubham, what happened to Sam? Pain. Where? 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 What is the meaning of where? Kaha? Where? Where was the pain? Huh? stomach. The pain was in the stomach. Yes, then
The doctor told it's because his
the doc.
unhealthy habit.
Okay, what did the doctor say? The doctor said that Sham had or Sam has. He has unhealthy habits. Unhealthy habits means he never used to comb his hair, he never used to take bath, he never used to brush his teeth. That is why he had a stomach pain. Then what happened?
So from that day, Sam keeps himself and his surroundings clean.
From that day, after having the stomach pain, he came to know that we must have healthy habits. So from that day, Sam started remaining.
Healthy habits.
Yes, he started having healthy habits. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much.